What is up, guys? It is me. I'm back. It is Saturday and it is supposed to be raining, and I kind of just didn't want to really stay inside on a Saturday. I've been inside for the past 4 days, so I just kind of thought, let's pick up the camera and let's see what we can get. So just kind of decided to get all my gear packed up and just head up to Angeles Crest and hopefully get some rain shots, some cinematic B-roll, and test out everything with the Canon EOS R, and bring just all my gear with me. I just didn't want to sit here on a Saturday doing nothing, being bored out of my mind, so decided just to do a little travel. So just gonna have some lunch real quick and make some coffee just to get me moving today. So once we get everything like that set up, just gonna start packing, and then we'll be on our way. So everything is charged and everything is ready to go. So let's just go ahead and get everything done right now. Alright, so everything is packed up and is ready to go. And so now, hopefully, I'll get some shots, and if not, oh well. But at least I get to go out for a little drive. Alright, so we have everything packed up. Everything's ready to go. Everything's inside the car. And right now, we are heading to Angeles Crest, and hopefully getting something, because it is pretty cloudy. So besides that, we'll just be on our way and see what we can get. See you guys there. What is up, guys? We are in Angeles Crest. We're not even halfway or even close to being where I want to be, but it is way too foggy to even drive. We are gonna go back because we don't want to cause an accident or be in an accident. It's really foggy right now. We're not even to Mount Wilson, and it's already pretty bad. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drive back and see where else we can go. This is probably just a normal vlog, not a travel vlog. So yeah, so we'll just head back right now and see where else we're gonna go. See you guys there. What is up, guys? It is Sunday. It is 2:55 here, and yesterday it was too foggy and we couldn't do anything. We didn't have any fog lights, and we didn't want to cause an accident and get in an accident, so we just kind of called it a day and came back. And we're gonna go back up and see how it is. It is not raining here currently, so I don't know how it'll be up in Angeles Crest. I just decided to go ahead and give it a try again. So this is day 2 of driving up to Angeles Crest and seeing what we can get. And so now we're on our way to go to Angeles Crest. So everything is ready in the car, and now we're just gonna go and see how it is this time. Hopefully I get something today, but if not, again, just for the drive, hopefully I get something. If I can't get anything, it'll be fine that I can get something today. But who knows? Maybe it'll be cloudy up there, maybe it won't. Let's just go ahead and get to it. See you guys there. What is up, guys? We are at Mount Wilson, or going up Mount Wilson right now, but fog still here. And it's like 38 degrees right now. I did get some shots. it's pretty moody right now, so the fog is definitely gonna add that nice feel to the photo. We're gonna head back down because the fog's kind of coming in, so I can't really get anything else besides the fog photos. Head back down, maybe continue up depending if the fog is good or not. We're just gonna go back down, and I was thinking about flying my drone depending if the fog is down at the bottom of Mount Wilson or not. Now we're just gonna head back down and see what happens. What is up, guys? We are gonna head back down Angeles Crest. It is getting pretty dark here. It's already 6:22 and sunset will be in 30 minutes. But because it is cloudy, there's no point in staying for sunset. The sun's not gonna... I'm not gonna get anything for a sunset. We're just gonna head back down and I'm gonna edit the vlog and post it. I got some drone footages and some drone photos, and that's about it. But we're just gonna go down now, and that'll be it. I want to see if there is a spot where I can get LA. My pop said if I continue to go up, I might be able to get it. It doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get it. That would have been a sick photo of LA. Damn. But I mean, sun's setting, so that's not too bad. That would have been a dope photo. Let's just go home right now. Some very good soup.